My name is Hira Shaheen, and today I am going to discuss questions asked in the UGC NET exam based on normalization. So, first question is this one: relational database schema normalization is not for. So, you are given some number of options, and you have to select that option which is not related to relational database schema normalization. First option is reducing the number of joins required to satisfy a query. Second option is eliminating uncontrolled redundancy of data stored in the database. Third is eliminating number of anomalies that could otherwise occur with inserts and delete. And the next option, fourth option, is ensuring that functional dependencies are enforced. You have to select that option which is not related to relational database schema normalization. So we need to know what is this normalization, why we do this normalization, and we have to select that option which is not related to this. Okay, so its answer will be A. So the answer will be option number A. So let me explain why and what are all those options. So let me write this explanation. So relational database schema normalization is not for reducing the number of joins required to satisfy a query. Okay. That is why your answer is option A. Okay, so these are the explanation. Relational database schema normalization is for eliminating uncontrolled redundancy of data stored in the database. And the next, relational database schema normalization is for eliminating number of anomalies that could otherwise occur with inserts and deletes. And relational database schema normalization is for ensuring that functional dependencies are enforced. And the next, relational database schema normalization is for ensuring that functional dependencies are enforced. Hence, the option A is correct option. Asked in your NET exam 2017. Okay, so NET 2017. I'm sorry, not this 2017, it is 2016. Okay, so let me take some more questions. So the next question is DBMS provides the facility of accessing data from a database through DDL, DML, DBA schema, DBA and schema. So what will be the correct option? DBMS provides facility of accessing data. Okay, accessing data from a database. तो डेटाबेस से एक्सेस के लिए हम लोग को कौन सा ये DBMS कौन सा फैसिलिटी से प्रोवाइड करता है? So let me take one by one the options. So DML stands for data manipulation language. Okay. So data manipulation language So SQL command that deals with manipulation of data present in a database belong to DML or data manipulation language, including retrieving, storing, modification, deletion, insertion, and all. That is why the option number 2, that is DML, will be the correct option for this question. Okay. So your answer is correct answer is option number B. This one. Why? Because DML is data manipulation language. It deals with the manipulation of data present in the database, belong to DML, or like retrieving, storing, modification, deletion, insertion, all this comes inside this, okay? And updation of data in the database. So example of DML are select, insert, update, delete. All these are example of DML, and others also. I'm telling you what does this mean. DDL is data definition language. Means it is concerned with the creation of database like create, drop, alter, truncate, comment, rename. These are the commands comes under the DDL. And DBA is database administrator. Function of DBA includes schema definition, storage, structure, and access method definitions. And the schema refers to the organization of data as a blueprint of how the database is constructed. That is why the option number B is correct. So answer will be option B. So we'll take some more questions in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, just hit the like button and I will keep on creating more and more videos. Thank you.